Hi there, this is Brian with BSN Tech Networks bringing to you another video tutorial on how to manage and administer your website. In this tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to manage your menus. On any website, there is a navigation menu, whether it be at the top of the site, on the left, or the right, but that is generally what is used so individuals can browse through your website and find what they're looking for. So in this system, we're already logged into the WordPress management. If you have not received a username and password from us, please get in touch with us and we will get you the username and the password in order to get into your website. Over on the left sidebar is all the options that you can administer. For the menus, you will hover over Appearance, and there's the option for Menus. So let's go ahead and click on Menus. And if you notice, it also shows over here now. You could just click on Appearance and then click on Menus, but if you hover over and then you can choose Menus, it's a little faster. So in this particular customer's website, they have two menus. They have a primary menu and they also have an e-commerce one, since this is an e-commerce website that we have built. So if you need to change the menu that you're editing, you would of course choose the menu that you want to change and then hit select, and then that would bring up the menu structure. So this is the menu structure. On this customer's website, they've got a home, about us, gallery, sponsors, and contact us. Over on this side, you have all of the pages that appear on your website. You can either have most recent or there's view all, so then that way you can choose to view all of them as needed. To add a new item to the menu, you would just put a check next to one of them or multiples that you would like and hit add to menu. And then it automatically appears, and it will put it at the bottom of the navigation. Now you can actually left click and drag these around. So let's left click and we're going to drag it just a little bit up here. Now what that does is you notice it's indented a little bit. That means if somebody puts their mouse cursor over the contact us and the navigation, then you should get a little pull-out menu or a drop-down menu that would then have checkout under it. So in essence, this page is then a sub-page or a part of the sub-navigation to the Contact Us link in your navigation. Now we can click, again, lift, click, and drag this around, and again we can make it a sub-page or a sub-link of any of the others, or if we move it over just a little bit here, it will also let us make it a main one. See there, now it's not indented, but now it will actually appear under the home. Now after you make changes to the menu, it's very important that you hit save. Now if you wanted to just change the name of how this appears in the menu, click the little down arrow, and this is the label that's given for the link that will appear in the navigation. So that way you can come in here and change the name or how it appears on your website. If you want to remove an item, all you have to do is click on the remove button as well, and then it just deletes it. Now what happens if you want to make a link to something that's not a page on your site? No problem. You have the ability to choose links, and you could then put in a link to a different website as well. Again, for the link text, this is what will actually appear in the menu, so it's important to put something in there as well. So that's the general ways that you can update and manage the menu structure of your site. Of course, if you create a new page, it does not automatically get added to your menu. So either you will need to link another web page to the new page that you created, or somehow get it added here to your menu so that way it's easy for your visitors to get to. Well, that should take care of any questions regarding menus and how to update and manage them. If there's any other questions that you have about this, you can certainly get in touch with me here at BSN Tech Networks. Go to our website at bsntech.com and send us a message. Thanks for watching. This is Brian with BSN Tech Networks.